In this video, I'll guide you on changing your age on TikTok. If you mistakenly entered the wrong birth date or need to update it for any reason, follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth process. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't provide a direct option to change your birth date in the settings. Here's an alternative method. Open TikTok on your device and access your profile by clicking on the little icon in the bottom left. Click on the three lines at the top right to open the menu, then navigate to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to find the Report a Problem option and select Account and Profile under the Topic section. Access the Editing Profile section and click on Other since there's no specific birthday option. At the bottom, choose Need More Help and proceed to write a message to the TikTok team. Explain that you need to change your birth date due to an error and mention your willingness to provide ID verification if necessary. Submit your report. TikTok's support team will typically respond within a day or two and guide you through the process. Only upload your ID card if requested. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!